हे यो सो आपने मेरे एपिसोड 2 में देखा कि हम शिलोंग से निकल के लाइटलूम, वहाँ से चंद्रा लेक फॉलोड बाय क्रांगसुरी वाटरफॉल्स गए थे। एंड इस वीडियो में हम स्नॉन पेरिंग एंड इंडो बांग्ला बॉर्डर कवर करेंगे, विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी मच फन। सो स्टे विथ मी टिल द एंड। हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक। इट इज़ day 3 in Meghalaya and today we are in Phnom Penh and I just woke up. I couldn't wait to see the sunrise outside, but I thought कि मैं sunrise तुम लोग के साथ देखूंगी. So I'll open the zip of the tent and I'll go out while we both watch the sunrise together. So come on. फिशिंग करने जाते हैं। वो जंगल है। जंगल है इधर। क्या करते हो जंगल में? हाँ? क्या? बेतलना। पान लेने जाते हो? क्या होता है उससे?
डॉकी में बेचते हैं।
अच्छा,
यहाँ के हो आप? इधर ही रहते हो?
Okay, so now we are here for kayaking and the water is crystal clear and two of us are going to ride this and go ahead. It's so much fun.
Into the crystal clear water. Amazing.
So we did kayaking and now we are going to do cliff jumping. You can see on this side over here. And that will be much fun because they have different levels. तो वो जितने levels आप करना चाहो उतने आप कर सकते हो. It is very fun and the water is very clear. I mean, Krangsuri wasn't even that clear, but this is very clear. So I'll show you the underwater life. So right now we are going for cliff jumping and we are in the boat right now and here is cliff jumping. Hi. So we're going to go. I'm really excited. Let's see you there.
Good.
So now we are swimming. We did the cliff jumping, had such a good time, and I swam from there to Lure. And let's go in. So we are back from swimming. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया and it was such a thrilling experience. Look at this. It is so beautiful and you can see small fishes inside. वैसे तो मुझे fishes से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है मगर somehow I really enjoyed inside and scuba diving भी था यहाँ पर but we had to pre-book and we didn't know about it so I couldn't do scuba diving मगर I swam. एंड देन लास्ट में मैंने विदाउट लाइफ जैकेट भी स्विम किया. इट वॉज सच अ फन स्विमिंग एंड आई एम सेटिस्फाइड लाइक लिटरली सेटिस्फाइड. बहुत मज़ा आया एंड definitely if you are in Meghalaya come to Shnonpeding and come on this campsite. We are here at Pioneer Adventure. It is awesome and you will really love it. It's worthy. I really enjoyed. Now I'll go take a bath and then see you guys. And now we are going to go and have our lunch. It's 2 p.m. So now we'll go have lunch and then we'll see you later. This is our lunch. They have
some salad, which is onion and cucumber, good lemon. उसके साथ we have
potato and carrot which are cubed and fried.
and we have dal and rice with sabzi and achar.
ये लोग सुबह के टाइम पे रोटी नहीं देते. It's only at night. So now we are going back. Now we are leaving the tents and now we are in the boat. We are going back to the starting point. We had so much fun and they all helped us. They were very kind to us and let's go. We are at Bharat and Bangladesh Dwar, which is up. This is the checking of papers and यहाँ पर है इंडिया, इधर है बांग्लादेश एंड इधर है पापा. फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स.
क्या
ठीक है ये
काकड़ी है।
कुकुम्बर है काकड़ी हेल्प देगा हेल्प काट के देगा
आप इंडियन हो ना?
बांग्लादेशी
बांग्लादेशी. We are having this.
ये थोड़ी
Okay, so we watched the इंडिया बांग्लादेश का बॉर्डर एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं टूवर्ड्स डॉकी फॉर बोटिंग. वी आर गोइंग फॉर बोटिंग एंड लेट्स गेट डाउन. देयर आर कपल ऑफ स्टेप्स जो हमें उतरना है एंड देन वी. अच्छा, ये डॉकी रिवर है. अच्छा.
वो बांग्लादेश सामने है
ये बांग्लादेश है.
हाँ ये माउंटेन के बाद में ना वो बांग्लादेश है
अच्छा, वो बांग्ला.
पब्लिक जो खड़े हैं सब बांग्लादेश के हैं
अच्छा, ये बांग्लादेश ये सब.
हाँ बांग्लादेश का टूरिस्ट है
अच्छा.
अपना इंडिया का टूरिस्ट इस तरफ है
अच्छा, इंडिया का टूरिस्ट इस तरफ है.
वो माउंटेन का उस तरफ बांग्लादेश का
ओह,
हाँ वो स्टेट यहाँ से ऐसे
अच्छा.
पत्थर है बड़ा,
हाँ वो
वो
स्टेट
पत्थर ये सेट इधर से बांग्लादेश
मतलब
से इधर
ये
इंडिया।
पत्थर से इस तरफ इंडियंस है और इस तरफ बांग्लादेशी है. वाह, पास से जानने मिलेगा उनको. चलिए चलिए जाते हैं नीचे. जस्ट दिस वन स्टोन is the borderline for Bangladesh and India. So you see two types of people here. These are Bangladeshi and these are Indians. So this is about it. और अभी हो चुका है sunset and हम जा रहे हैं to चेरापूंजी now. Since अभी हमारा 2 दिन का stay is in चेरापूंजी. So let's go. Okay, so it is 8 p.m. and we have reached our hotel in actually a homestay in Chirapunji, and this is it. Let me show you all the entrance. The day has ended and I was very tired, so I had slept. And actually, while I was staying here in Meghalaya, we are actually sleeping at 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. because the sun sets early. So we sleep early and then we wake up early. So that's how it is. And I'm really tired, but the day was awesome. Had so much fun in Shnong Peding and the travel. I was sleeping all time. So we have ordered our dinner and dinner में हमने order किया है fried rice, Manchurian, one mixed veg sabzi and roti. So let's taste this first. नहीं, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा मसाले वाला खाना नहीं है. इट्स अ लिटिल ब्लैंड एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली नाइस. एंड यहाँ पे सब्जी भी इनकी खड़ी सब्जी है. They haven't chopped it. It is nice. It is good, and it is not very masaledar, so that is fine. And the vegetables and everything is boiled properly, so this is good. Now let's taste this first. So now we are going to taste the fried rice. and Manchurian with it. The Manchurian seems very soft. The Manchurian is very soft, बहुत ही soft है. And the rice is also good. So basically इनके खाने में मसाले ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करते ये लोग. It's always a little bland and more of boiled vegetables and everything. So the food seems to me very healthy in certain way. And overall it is good. I love the way they have hygiene. बहुत ही hygienically वो लोग serve करते हैं and the rooms are also very hygienic. So overall यहाँ का सब कुछ मुझे अच्छा लगा है. अब देखते हैं कल breakfast कैसा होगा. So see you later. Bye. तो चलिए अब मिलते हैं हम हमारे नेक्स्ट पार्ट में. So see you until then. Bye.